Welcome to Tiny Things, where small habits make a big difference. If you are curious about how habits really work, how to build them, break them, and stick with them, we are diving deep into the science and strategies behind consistent growth. Because in the end, it's not the giant goals that change your life, it's the tiny things you do over and over again. Subscribe and let's build better habits one tiny thing at a time. Your habits can compound for you or against you. So, first let's know what's habit compounding. It's like a small actions, big results over time. Habits may seem insignificant in the moment, but when repeated consistently, they compound into powerful outcomes. Think of it like this: doing one workout won't make you fit, reading one page won't make you wise, but doing a little every day stacks up. Over weeks, months, and years, the results multiply, not just add up. That's the magic of compounding. Each small habit reinforces the next. It gets easier, more automatic, and more effective with time. The gap between someone who improves just 1% each day versus someone who stays the same becomes massive over time. As James Clear says in Atomic Habits, habits are the compound interest of self improvement. So, whether you're building discipline, learning a skill, or improving your health, small choices made consistently are the key to long-term transformation. There are two kinds of compounding. First, positive compounding. Second, negative compounding. Today, we're just gonna talk about positive compounding. We got three sections under positive compounding. First one is productivity compounds. Now, what does that mean, productivity compound? Think of productivity like money in a savings account with interest. If you keep adding a little bit each day, over time it grows into something big. In the same way, doing one small productive thing every day may not feel like much right now, but over years it adds up to a huge difference in your work and life. Now, accomplishing one extra task is a small feat on any given day. Doing just one more thing each day might not seem impressive, but one extra task per day equals to 365 extra tasks per year. Over a decade, that's a 3,650 things you would not have done otherwise. That small habit makes you much more efficient, skilled, and valuable over time. Automating a task or mastering a new skill has even more impact. Now, imagine if you learn something new that saves time, like a shortcut on your computer, or you automate something like setting up automatic email responses. That doesn't just save time once, it saves time every time you will have done that task. Over time, the time and mental energy you save by not doing repetitive things adds up in a big way. The more tasks you can handle without thinking. As you master things or automate them, you stop using your mental energy on them. Your brain is free to focus on bigger, more important, or creative work.